Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SYBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. And just to summarize today's price movement in trading terminology, this is what is known as just a big old gap and trap. Now, what do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new to trading? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a very, very big gap up. And then this is where things get savage. The opening bell rang. A bunch of poor souls were buying up here, and then from that point, it was just down. The price went from that angle. So from that point of view, yeah, just a very rough day, and now it's just really a question of, is this gap and trap going to lead to something even more bearish? And this is why, at least in my opinion, the must-hold do-or-die level is right there at $2.35. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $2.35, behave in that manner, then break to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, because to be fair, nothing can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. And at least in that set of circumstances, you'd have lows right there. You'd have lows there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So that's why I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed. But yeah, it's looking shaky, but I would not call it quite destroyed. In terms of levels of resistance, if there is going to be any sort of upwards movement, 260 is going to be that first key level, and then after 260, next key level up after that, right up there at about $2.68. So yes, right now the chart's looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.